birthday, Ibong! Sana lumaki kami tapos sa Diyos. Happy birthday, Mama Papa, ha? Yan, good boy. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy first birthday, Ibo! We love you! Wow!
Happy first birthday, baby Ivo! We wish you all the best and be a healthy baby boy forever. Hope to see you soon and excited na kami mga ate na makita ka. So, we love you and bye-bye! We love you, Ivo!
Love you.
Happy birthday, 1 years old Ebo. Bunso ko, ang bilis mong lumaki, parang kailan lang. Sobrang liit mo pa. Pasensya na, wala si nanay, wala dyan, hindi makapunta. Wish ko lang, bunso, na maging healthy palagi at maging mabuting anak kila papa mo at mama. Huwag mong gayahin papa mo sa katigasan ng ulo Yun lang, happy birthday. Uli bunso ko, I miss you and I love you so much. I love you.